The essence of diligence is enthusiasm for positive activities and absence of laziness. Its function is to make the power of virtue grow. Its cause is one's enduring previous good deeds, which lead to vast courage being awakened to virtuous ends. There are 3 categories of diligence. A. Armorlike diligence. Thinking from now on and until every single being has been brought to the level of unsurpassable enlightenment. I will not abandon my efforts even for an instant. B. Diligence in application. This is to persevere all the time, night and day, without letting up for an instant, in getting rid of afflictive emotions, performing positive actions. C. Diligence in benefiting others. If we are to benefit sentient beings directly or indirectly, it must be done with a joyful attitude, without ever getting discouraged, even if we have to spend kalpas on end in the lower realms.